Solving IoT issues is always a location-specific job. When you open a location tile, you're immediately presented with all pending object warnings. Now you have two options: manage issues individually within an object or use the bulk management feature in the issue menu. Let's start with bulk issue management, which is perfect to handle large numbers of deficiencies at once. Pending issues are categorized into three sections: red for action limit violations, orange for warning limit deviations, and purple for connection issues. The steps for handling IoT deviations is basically the same to HACCP issues. Use filters to narrow down the data by time span, object, and area, if applicable. Then, select the issue category and the dates you wish to address. Choose all relevant issues and proceed by clicking the colored Resolve button that appears on the bottom of the screen. You'll then see a list of predefined reasons for resolution. If none fit, select Other to provide a custom reason for resolving the issues. Ideally, bulk management should be rare in a well-maintained location. To address IoT issues on an ad hoc basis, you can manage them directly within an object. Choose the deviation you wish to address from the transaction history. Unlike bulk management, you have the option to either comment on or resolve the issue. Commenting keeps the deviation flagged, while resolving closes the issue. If you notice colored flags in the graph but no corresponding transaction history, adjust the graph's time span. To create object reports, head to the Reports tab and choose IoT or IoT Issue Report. Due to the extensive sensor data, it's best to apply the area filter and opt for shorter report periods to enhance readability and speed up loading.